going on, guys? Hope all is well. So this is going to be our attempt at a hotel room review. We were here for one night for the Test and Go program here in Bangkok, Thailand. And I'm going to try to do this as naturally as possible by knocking on the door so Vlada can take you around. So we'll go now. Hello.
Do not disturb.
Okay, fine.
Come in. Welcome to our hotel room.
Yes.
2319. This is for the Test and Go program. So this is the entryway. You put in here. A lot of hotels nowadays have like the thing when you put in the card to do like the electricity stuff, blah blah. So we walk in. There's a closet over here, and there's also a safe box, safe and all that fun stuff over here. There's the mirror over here. There's no full-length mirror in this room, but we do have this, I guess half-length?
Yeah.
Three-fourths length mirror.
Yeah.
And then we did make the best use of our robes yesterday after our showers, which is...
Yeah, we're about to check out, so...
Yeah, we're going to check out soon. But yeah, this is the bathroom. There's a mirror over here. You got the toilet over here.
Where the magic happens.
Where the magic happens.
There were two rolls here, but... Anyways.
Too much magic.
Too much magic.
Then yeah, so there's like the door over on this side, which is like glass, but you can't see through it, so it's nice privacy levels over here. You got your hair straightener for the ladies.
Yeah.
You had nice toiletries over here that we use.
Yeah, we cleaned up a bit. We're about to check out. But
we're about to check out. But then you also have this shower over here, and as you can see, there's the glass.
Yeah, it doesn't capture as well, but yeah, this is a glass.
Yeah, this is the glass, but...
Do you want to do the honors?
Yes.
Okay.
Go away.
Wait, okay.
Go away. Go away. Hold on.
Okay.
We'll show you guys something, the coolest thing you'll ever see. Watch this. Watch this. As I'm showering.
Yes.
What the hell? Watch.
Oh, man.
And it'll just go all the way down.
Oh, man. To be fair, jumping in quickly, we didn't realize this until like last night or this month. We realized it after the fact because when we first came in, it was a little
When we first came in, we were like showering. We're like, oh, don't look at me while I'm showering, because we didn't see this thing because it's not like the thing wasn't that obvious that there was a thing. But needless to say, we took showers. Anyways, the bed is over here.
Yeah. What size bed would you say this is?
Queen.
Queen.
This is a queen bed. Yeah, I think it's a queen bed.
It feels bigger than ours, maybe because we don't have the dogs, but yeah.
Yeah, but it's really, so Thai beds are super, super firm, which is my favorite. So I was really happy, and we did get 16 hours of sleep.
Yeah,
so.
we had a long flight. We didn't mention that. We had like a 32-hour flight to get here from New York, so we're rested again.
We got 16 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a really comfy bed here. You got a lot of chargers. You have a lot of lights.
Yeah. The little fixtures there, kind of spread out. It's about 12 o'clock now, so it's pretty well lit, but for now,
some lights over there. Then you have this little Cheaz lounge chair, which, you know, you can just sit here and be like, let's admire the views.
Yeah, speaking of which, kind of buried the lead.
There.
Yeah, we're on the 23rd floor right now, so this is pretty
we're
nice.
in the
Novotel Hotel.
Yeah, Novotel Hotel, which actually right down there is the train stop. I think it's called the Mochit or one of the ones, but it's really nice because the BTS station is right around here. And yeah, there you have a nice, lovely view of the city. Yeah. These curtains, oh my god, they're like the best blackout curtains that I've ever experienced. Like literally, when we closed this, we took a nap. When I say we took a nap, I mean we actually fell asleep the entire night. Yeah. But we closed these at 2 p.m. and literally it was like black here. Like it was so dark. I'm like, oh my Gucci.
So good for sleep.
So yeah, exactly. Then over here you have your little seating area if you want to work or whatever. Really nice. They have so many plugs over here. Yeah. You have a lot of plugs, which is super helpful. And then also you have a lot of them on this side as well. Yeah. And you also have your light here. So, yeah, really nice. I mean, this hotel is, you obviously have a...
Yeah, we actually haven't turned on the TV,
Yeah, we haven't turned on the TV, but we're only here for one night. We're doing the Test and Go program. So
and thankfully we test negative, so we're able to leave
test negative.
Today. Yeah.
But yeah, so yeah, we test negative so we can like head out. So for Thailand, you just do the 1 day test and go program. And then over here you have coffee, tea, which we made use of the coffee yesterday.
We were so tired, but we're like, we can definitely use some coffee.
Yeah, we had coffee, then you had your little coffee pot. And then we also had a big water that they give you each day, but today we have the 2 small waters, which is actually super random because it is Chang, which is one of the biggest Thailand beer companies, which I did not know that they make water, but it makes sense because you have your beer, you have your water.
If you're new here, we're from New York. So
we're from?
Well, we were from New York. We're still from New York. So don't kill us in the comments if this is obvious. We're still adapting. We were in Thailand last in 2019. We've mentioned an old video or two, but just for context.
So yeah, if we make any comments that are like, oh, you guys didn't know Chang made water, you freaking tools.
It's like, that's okay. We can be tools.
Yeah, we're tools. But yeah, and then you have like nice little paintings and all that stuff. Yeah. So overall, I mean, this room is pretty small. I mean, I don't know, what is it, like 150 square feet? But honestly, for even if you stay here for a week, I think this is perfect because, yeah, I mean, you pretty much have everything you need. There's also a pool. There's a gym.
Yeah.
There's.
I'll try to put a clip of those because we enjoyed them this earlier. So yeah.
Yep. Pool, gym, and then you also have the buffet breakfast, which was
that was incredible.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And they have room service like every hotel does as well. So yeah, and this is a great area because you have your like everything that you need outside of this place.
Yeah, so, we were quarantining, like we mentioned, so we weren't able to like explore necessarily. We got a result last night, but we were in like a coma. So in terms of the area, you do have like a lot kind of in each direction. And like we mentioned, the train right below us, which is actually coming right there, ironically enough. So yeah, we're gonna definitely explore it a bit more in some future videos, but we wanted to give a bit of a, because I'll talk to you guys, we want to give you guys a bit of a tour of the room because we've seen different ones on YouTube and thought it's helpful because a lot of people with the Test and Growth program, you may have different options. This is the Novotel Hotel, like we mentioned.
We highly recommend it. Yeah, we definitely recommend this one. We originally booked the Hotel Icon. That one was unfortunately now part of like the hospital area for cases. So they sent us an email a couple of days ago and they were like, oh, instead of doing the Hotel Icon, you guys will go into the Novotel, and it was only a 10 minutes away from each other. So I was like, oh,
we won't go too into detail of the Test and Go program just because it's changing a lot. These are the kind of updates as of like early March. So we did have like a 1 day and 5 day quarantine. Now it's just 1 day. But all that to say, we definitely recommend this hotel if it's an option during your trip. If you're maybe looking at this as a idea of maybe what certain hotel options look like, we definitely
either for the Test and Go, for whatever quarantine, or just to stay because it is in a really good area. So and I think that this is the superior room because they have the junior room, which I'm sure is bigger, and blah 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 blah, yada yada yada.
But as the yada 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 goes, we hope that you enjoyed this. We hope this was somewhat helpful, and yeah, we're thankful for you watching, and we'll probably see you in the next one, probably eating some food or just having some fun. So peace.